Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing files on your PC. Get a compatible Java runtime build that matches the target architecture and unzip it into a clear folder. Once done, install an FTP or file transfer utility so you can push files to the Xbox. Make sure dev mode is enabled on the console and that you know the Xbox IP address. This lets you access its file system. Begin organizing a dedicated folder structure to avoid overriding system files and to make later steps predictable. You now transfer and configure the runtime, connect via FTP or SCP to the Xbox IP, and copy the Java runtime and any wrapper scripts into the chosen folder. After transfer, set executable permissions on scripts and ensure config files sit next to the runtime so relative paths work. Next, edit the launcher to lower memory flags and CPU threads to match Xbox One limits. This prevents crashes. Finally, test launch a minimal Java program to confirm the runtime starts without errors. You finish by running a full test of your Java app and watching logs for class path or permission errors. Those logs tell you why startup failed. If it crashes, reduce heap size, lower thread counts, and confirm the runtime architecture matches the console. Mismatches are the most common issue. Make sure file permissions are correct and restart dev mode after changes. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see unsatisfied link error or immediate exits, double-check binary architecture and retransfer native libraries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.